So students, regarding the types of accounting, there are mainly 5 types: financial accounting, tax accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, and social responsibility accounting. So coming to the first one, financial accounting, please note down the points. These are not available in the PDF. So just note down in your copy. The main purpose of financial accounting is to record the transactions in a systematic manner in order to ascertain the profit and loss of the business by preparing trading PL, and to show the financial position of the business by preparing the balance sheet. Again, the second point is very important, that the basis of preparation of financial accounting is generally accepted accounting principles, that is GAAP. Okay. Coming to the next one, that is cost accounting. See, the main purpose of cost accounting is to ascertain the total cost or per unit cost of the goods and services that are being produced or rendered by the business. See, cost accounting applies the principles of accounting in such a manner that it is possible to have a detailed recording and analysis of the expenditures incurred. Okay, now we can say that cost accounting is made up of certain following points that are very important, and please write these in your copies, because in theory you have to write this. Okay, you have to give this answer in a compact manner. So first you have to give the meaning that I told you, or the definition, and then you have to give the certain important objectives or certain points that cost accounting is based on. The first one is mechanics of cost keeping, that is, the routines are followed in reducing and classifying the expenditures. Okay. The second one is analysis of cost to measure managerial efficiency, that is, whether the costs that are incurred, that are optimum utilization of resources or not. The last one is installation and supervision of cost system, that is basically a technique to determine the total cost or per unit cost. Okay. Now the third one, it is a very important point. So before going to that, I would like to tell you that sometimes in questions you will be given a certain question, that is the differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. So for you, I am going to just dictate you the answer, and please write it down in your copies. So the differences between the financial accounting and the cost accounting are, under financial accounting, see, it determines the profit of an organization, but under cost accounting it determines the cost of a product or service. Second, it can be that it is not prepared from cost accounting, but always remember that cost accounting is always prepared from financial accounting. Then financial accounting is meant for external users, whereas cost accounting is meant for internal users. Then it uses natural classification of income and expenses. Financial accounting uses classification of income and expenses in natural manner, but under cost accounting it uses different classification of income and expenses. Okay. Then financial accounting uses only actual costs and revenues, but in under cost accounting, along with these actual cost and revenues, cost accounting uses notional cost and revenues. Notional means, that is, you are predicting something. Okay. So I think these are all for the difference part. And moving to the third type, that is management accounting. See, management accounting is that part of accounting which is concerned mainly with the internal reporting of managers of the business. It relates to the planning, control, and decision making, which is useful to the management of the business. So basically it's forward looking and generally includes cost accounting and budgeting. See, the preparation of management accounting is not based on only GAAP. It is relatively free of constraints and imposed by the regulations, okay, or accounting standards. That is, it is very dynamic. It is not a static field. It is not abided by the fixed rules and regulations that are being stated under accounting standards or GAAP. So it is basically dealing with the behavior or the managing decisions of a business.